Guys, I couldn't leave a voicemail 5 years ago. I sucked at real estate. I couldn't cold call. I couldn't go on a meeting without my broker for 2 years. Like, I was like a baby with training wheels on for like literally the better part of 2 years. And then once I figured it out, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to leave Michigan. I'm going to leave this $150,000 a year business that I've created. By the way, full disclosure, grew up with a silver spoon in my mouth, grew up in a mansion of a house in a gated community, have had everything I ever wanted. I'm like, I don't like this. I want to make my own money. I want to have my own way. And I want to gain the respect of others. I don't want to be known as so-and-so's grandson. I'm like, fuck that. So I'm like, you know what? Let me skip the pool and the nannies and being catered to and waited on hand and foot, and let me move to the most competitive market in the country. And I've had other friends and people I knew that tried to do the same thing that didn't make it. And I'm like, I'm going to be different. I'm going to make it. I moved here, almost quit several times, almost came home after a year and a half of being here. And then it happened. I finally figured out how to cold call. I finally figured out how to handle objections. I finally figured out what worked for me with social media. And then I went on a tear. I listed 3 properties in 1 month for $3 million each. I listed another 2 properties, one for $8 million. And then another property that was $10 million that we also leased out that property. It was commercial. And I listed $30 million in a span of 90 days. Some of the properties we leased, some of them expired, some of them I sold. I made $300,000 from 90 days of calling. Like, dude, I'm telling you, I had a 1.8 GPA. I was a moron. I'm not the brightest bulb in the room. I just focused on one thing. I went all in and I worked relentlessly at it. And now I have the skills and nobody can ever take them away from me. And that's what I try to preach to you guys every day. And it's, you know, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. Some of you are new, but it's like, I literally give you all the knowledge you possibly need, and I give you the opportunity to have more with being around me and coaching with me and whatever. But listen, for anybody that's new, for anybody that wants to really learn what I've utilized to go get $10 million listings, $5 million deals done, meet with multi-hundred millionaire people, billionaires even, I need you guys to show up to the free training tomorrow. I know it's Thanksgiving the day after, and I know you want to go to bar night, but if 2026 is important to you and you want to make a lot of fucking money and you want to be able to provide to your wife and your kids, or like I can provide for my daughter and take her on 4 different trips, and she's 4 months old, not even. She's gone on more trips than half of my friend group and myself. I need you to be at the free training tomorrow. But with that being said, if I can do it, you can do it. And it's not going to happen in 3 fucking months. So get that expectation out of your head and put your head down, and you can make shit happen. I'm rooting for you. It can happen. It will. Winners or losers that just don't quit. I gotta go.